Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace of Rich Freedom by Design. Today's video, I'm going to share a brand new car that I just purchased, which is the Chevy Camaro SS 1LE 2018. Now, I know the 2019s were out, guys. I don't like the front fascia. I think it's horrible what they did to the new Chevy Camaros in 2019. Hopefully they'll fix it in 2020, but I like the 2018 6th gen Camaros. Look amazing and look freaking awesome, okay? So, and I'm gonna share this car with you guys. It's an amazing car, and you know, definitely it's not my first Camaro that I've had, but this one is an icon. This has got some great upgraded suspension, excellent, ready for the track, which is amazing, and the suspension's a little bit stiffer. I could feel it, and it just hugs the road like a dream. Okay, it's amazing. Plus, the Recaro seat's a really nice added touch as well. So I'm gonna get more videos in here and show you the car some more. But guys, it's an amazing feeling. I had a Jeep Wrangler. I got rid of it. It was a JL. I don't like JLs. The JLs have steering problems, and it showed in that brand new 2019 Jeep JL. Okay, so guys, I am going to get back in the car and I'm going to drive home. I'm actually in Connecticut right now. That's where I picked up the car. I'm going to be driving home right now. So if you notice, if I have the mask in front of the car, it's because of the rock chips on the highway. I don't want to get any rock chips on, the front bumper and things like that. Okay, I'll get some more footage, some more videos, and I'll show the inside as well so you can see the car. And guys, I'm telling you, it's a dream come true for me to actually have this car. I'm very excited. I've got to like pinch myself to see if this is really happening, but it is. So love you guys, and stay tuned for more video content, more great value, more great information to help you change your life and create your own freedom by design. Okay, my name is Rich Guzman, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in a new video very soon. Bye now.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.